we'll guide you through how to make Steam wishlist public. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure you are on your computer desktop screen and that everything is clearly visible before continuing with the process. Next, search around your desktop to find the Steam application icon by carefully scanning through your shortcuts. Once you locate it, place your mouse over the Steam icon and double-click to open it up in a steady motion. Then wait a few seconds for the Steam application to fully open and load all its elements properly, allowing the interface to settle before you interact with anything. After that, take a look at the top right corner of the Steam window and hover your mouse over your profile name to open the drop-down menu that contains several account options. From the list, click on the profile option and allow your Steam profile page to open up on the screen completely. Now direct your attention to the right side of your profile page and look carefully for the Edit Profile button. Then press it once to continue. You will be brought to the Edit Profile Settings page, where you should take a moment to look at the menu on the left side of the screen and understand the available categories. Find the Privacy Settings option and click it once so your profile privacy settings appear clearly on the right side. Look down the page slowly until you spot the Game Details section and click on the drop-down menu button next to Game Details. A small list of visibility options will pop up, so hover your cursor over the Public option and click it once to select it. Wait a moment to see the saved text appear right beside it, confirming that the change has been applied. Finally, use your other Steam or friend account and open up your profile, then navigate to Games on the right side. Next, hover your mouse to Wishlist on the right side, and you should now see your wishlist displayed clearly.